Hi, I want to say that the Canva updates for October 2025 are amazing. They're just brilliant. And so many things that have been requested by Canva users have been added now. And it's fabulous. I'm going to take you over to my screen and we can have a look. I don't plan to make this a long video. I will put a link below of how you can access the presentation, which was very inspiring and also shows a lot of the good work that Canva does in the community in terms of education and helping others. I'm going to use Canva's presentations and they do it so much better than I could. I think it will make sense. Let's first of all skip to the new video. It gives you the power, speed and creative freedom to make videos your way. Basically, they've speeded things up. They've made it easier to edit, and I will do separate videos on all these things, but this is just to give you an overview and a flavor. They've significantly upgraded the AI Power Suite. And part of it is because Canva Code works so well. One of the things that Canva felt was missing was interactive design. And now you actually have a design assistant sitting with you on your designs who you can ask to help you. This is the AI assistant saying, nice work, change this, change that, give you professional marketing advice. As you know already, you can create lots of designs using AI. And the latest thing is forms. You've got interactive forms. You can either publish it to a website or you can just see it. And the best thing is that you get the data and the analytics as well. That's really taken the whole thing up a step. It's very exciting. Another one is 3D. You can get 3D images too. And also you can copy a style. You just click on it and then copy it. As I said, I'll show you more in detail when I actually do the individual areas because there's just so much that's changed. Following on from forms is amazingly creative emails. They're fantastic. And you can see you can add buttons. Everything that you edit is still as it was in Canva. So you can access all those different things. You can send a test email. You can download it as HTML and images and put it into your own email service provider. It's incredibly flexible to create really beautiful emails. Affinity was purchased by Canva last year. It's a professional design app to bring you vector, photo editing and layout. Really a competitor for Adobe. But the amazing thing that they announced is that this is going to be free forever. It really levels up the playing field because Adobe itself is quite an expensive tool to use. This is very exciting. If you're in the professional design level, then this is what you will be using. And then they introduced Canva Grow. And part of that is smarter ads. So it's linked into Meta, Facebook or Instagram's advertising system, and you can link directly to it. But it also pulls content from all the top performing brands on Facebook. And you have amazing templates in there from all the top brands. And you can search by content. And then, of course, the key thing, particularly if you're going to spend money on advertising, is actually the analytics that backs it up. You can see how your ad's performing, and then you can ask for help on how to tweak it to improve the performance even more. That's one part of Canva Grow. And this is scaling your brand kit with brand system. And these are the amazing new logos, which I love. They're very cool and smart. The new icons and logos around everything. And I'll go into Canva just to show you some of the other ones. But this is in brand kit. You've got your logos, your colors, your fonts, your brand voice, photos, graphics, icons, and charts. I also have templates in all brand templates as well. But I wanted them both places to make it easier for my team. They also introduced gradient text, which is something that we've all been asking for a while. Again, another great addition to the Canva stable. And then a pixel eraser. So even more detailed than the general magic eraser is the pixel eraser. You also have remote control notes. They've got designs now for mailer boxes. So you can design your own mailer box, which is fantastic. Share your screen with desktop recorder. Publish directly to YouTube, which I think is very exciting. I can't wait to try. And publish directly to Instagram, which would also be great. And then you can search your team's shared content faster. There were the 7 improvements that Canva made responding to the requests that everybody was making of them. So keep those requests going in because Canva will pay attention and they answer every comment or note that you make to them. They pay attention to what you want. There's an enhanced design school as well. with loads of videos. They've got one of working smarter with AI, meeting the visual suite, how to create scroll-stopping content, and there's more. But those are really good and well worth it if you want to improve your Canva knowledge. Those are the main things that changed. But actually within Canva itself, a lot has changed, and you'll notice as you go into it. If I go to Elements, you can see here all the categories, shapes, graphics, all these new icons available now, photos, stickers, grids, videos. It takes some getting used to, but it looks fantastic. You can see there's new forms here too. And the apps have been split up into various different areas to make it easier for you to find your way around them. And under design, there are so many more templates for you to look at. And you can see my templates are included under there too. It's easier to find these now. The Canva AI model understands design, which is so unique. And it's been adopted by ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude. Your favorite AI tool, you find it now links with Canva. To summarize, this video, there's the AI-powered visual suite. There's Canva email. There's the new Affinity, which, as I said, is free forever. There's Canva Grow to help with your ads. And there's Community Wishes, where it has lots of lovely details. And new videos in Design School to help you learn all about these things. I'm going to leave this video here and go through these in more detail with actual examples to show you. I hope that helped. If you found this useful, please click on the subscribe button and you'll know when I start going through some of these amazing new features. Until next time.